Right, so we're going to start this video off a little bit different, without the intro, because I only had a little bit of time to work on this car, so I tried to use every little bit of time I have to get it worked on. So I'm just starting off with just removing the coil packs and the valve cover, just to take a look at the valve train here, just to see if anything's okay, because I'm pretty sure it's probably a blown head gasket. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the head and replace the gasket. So here's a time lapse. Alright, so in the beginning I showed you guys a video of me taking the SC apart. Now the thing was, it was extreme. I think it was like 28 degrees, and I was trying to fight through the pain of my feet and hands freezing. And I think I probably worked on it for maybe an hour, no, probably about 2 hours, and I was done. I feel terrible right now, but I need to get this done because this whole next week it's going to be cold. And I think the temperature is going to drop later on today. So right now it's only like maybe 58 degrees. So I hope and pray that I could get most of it knocked out. But let me show you guys where I left off at. So that's pretty much where I left off. So this stuff right here is all loose. Obviously the intake is gone. I did pulled all the bolts out for the exhaust, but I have to try to get it away. Now I want to replace the timing chain and everything. I'm not sure if that's going to be needed. The car technically it doesn't look bad at all. I thought it was going to be bad inside, but that actually looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the timing because I want to try to get this done. So what I'm gonna do is probably put a pin in the tensioner, and so I can remove all this stuff, set timing and all that goodness, and actually see what's down in there, because I don't want to take all that apart and then I see, well, it probably don't matter at that point. But I want to just double check. This thing is grimy. Oh, look, I just saw something down there. Some black tape. Let's see if I can get it. And I didn't put it down there. Look. It was way down in there. Oh, that's crazy. Anyway, so let's keep pushing on. Alright, so this is the tension I was telling you about. Now, right now, it's fully extended. So you have to reset it. And to reset it, it has to go, let me get my dirty hands in here, all the way in, and then a little pin has to be put in there. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Sometimes I can do it with one hand. No, it's not gonna let me. Let me see here. It's just like a certain point you have to get it to in order for it to go back in. Can't just get it just right. And I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Now this is oil pressure, so you will get a lot of oil come out of here that's inside of this tensioner. So once you collapse it all the way down and then release a little bit, this is going to swing up, and then you put the pin in, and then it'll be so much easier just to install this and pull the pin, and you have your tensioner back. So now I can take off the timer set. All right, so it's been a few hours. Yeah, it's been a couple hours, and my curiosity got the best of me. Because then I was like, what if? What if? What if? What if? So let me show you guys what I did. So I went on ahead and took the whole front timing cover off, and I wanted to see if, you know, what if the chain is bad? You know, what if the guides are bad? What if this and what if that? And the guides actually looks really, really good. Really good on both of them. Everything looks good. I still haven't took none of that stuff apart yet. I just got all the timing stuff off and cleaned it, you know, somewhat, just not on the head part. But I was just what ifing. And then I had drained the oil. And yes, some antifreeze came out. So they gave me another, my brain just shut down. They gave me another reason why I knew it was a blown head gasket. And that ball joint, look at that, that's broken too. Oh, and let me show you guys something else. I took it apart right there instead of at top because, booyah, look at that. She is crumbled. So I'm gonna have to figure something out there. Either cut it off and get another one and weld it on, most likely. Because, yeah, I can't leave it like that. And since I'm not sure if I'm going to mess with the oil pump chain, because everything looks good right now. It doesn't look bad at all. So I'm gonna continue to take this off real quick, and then I'll turn you right back on. All right, so that was all live. Not live, but you know. I just set it over here just to take a look at it real quick. And then I was looking at the gasket to see where it gave up, but I really can't tell. Even if I wipe it off, I'm pretty sure I ain't gonna be able to tell. But the head was lifted because there was a few bolts that was extremely loose. Well, that's it in all the glory. Maybe one of you guys can point it out, but I don't see anywhere major. Only like, so this is this the back? Hold on, let me see. I'm not sure if this is the back or the front. Oh, yeah. So where those bolts was loose at was these three. They were super loose. And you can see how dark this is here. And this one's kind of dark, but then it lightens up in the back. And I did see coolant come out the exhaust port. It came out the exhaust side. But you see how this is dark here? That means it was sealed, but this right here wasn't. And I thought it's supposed to have more than one, what is that called? dowel pin. I thought it had more than one, but it only had one. Not sure which one it goes into. It goes into one of them, which is kind of weird. All right, let's move on. All right, so I got the engine block ready. It's all cleaned up. Piston's all clean. And let's see here. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. All right, so it's day it's day 3, I believe, because I only could work on it so many hours because it is extremely cold right now. I mean, it's sunny and bright, I mean, what all, but it's cold. I think we have 42 degrees or something like that. I'm not sure. All I know is cold. So we're gonna try to knock this out today. Yesterday I did put some more things back together that was off camera. Let me see, let me open this up for you. Like I said, off camera because I was trying to get some other things done real quick and waiting to go put my truck up because it's supposed to the weather's supposed to get real bad and I don't want my truck sitting out, so I have to go put it up. But let me show you how far it got. So I got almost all of it back on, all that stuff back together, almost, and the timing stuff is a little bit back together. Now you notice I put all the old stuff back, and because the new stuff looked terrible. When I opened the package and start looking at it, it looks way thinner and it just looked horrible. I mean, we can't beat OEM. I mean, unless it's like some race parts, then, you know, that'd be a little bit better. But I was like, no, I'm just gonna put the old stuff back on there. And so if I ever had to change it, I'll change it in the future. It's not a big deal. But I did want to get, you know, I'm trying to get it back together as soon as possible. So I need to jack the car back up, take the wheel off, and start putting that timing cover. Now the things I wanted to do, like paint the valve cover, the front cover, all that good stuff, I'm not gonna be able to do it. One, it's too cold, so I just got to put it all back together like normal, so just so I can get it started. So let's get started. Alrighty, so got the valve cover on. Boy, that was a lot of work because I had to clean it. I had to make sure everything is clean, and I got all that back on there. So the next step is to raise the engine back up so I could put back on that bracket. I don't even know where it's at. Oh, it's right there. That one. It goes right there, and then I got to put the motor mount and all that goodness back in real quick. Cracking on.